This comprehensive guide covers the immediate steps you need to take after noticing your photos are missing, and how to restore deleted or lost photos on your Mac. Part 1. Immediate actions after losing photos on Mac. Act quickly after losing photos on your Mac to improve recovery chances. Stop using the device to avoid overwriting deleted files. Check the trash and recently deleted album, and restore photos from a Time Machine backup if available. If you have turned on and set up Apple's built-in Time Machine backup system, you are in luck. Here's how to get your photos back. Step 1. Connect your Time Machine backup drive to your Mac. Step 2. Open the folder where your photos used to be stored or open the Photos app. If you don't back up your photos with an external hard drive, open Finder and navigate to the exact folder where your photos used to be stored. Step 3. Click the Time Machine icon in the menu bar and select Enter Time Machine. Step 4. Use the timeline on the edge of the screen to browse back to a date before the photos disappeared. Step 5. Select the missing photos or library and click Restore to bring them back instantly without needing any third-party software. If using recovery software, install it on another drive to prevent permanent data. Part 2. Photo recovery for Mac. If your photos aren't in the trash, the recently deleted album, or a Time Machine backup, it's time to bring in specialized software. Coolmuster Data Recovery Mac version offers a lightweight, wizard-style application tailored specifically for everyday consumers. It offers a simple wizard-style interface to quickly recover deleted or formatted photos, documents, and media files from local and external hard drives. With features like file preview, filtering options, and low system resource usage, it makes data recovery easy without requiring technical skills. Here's how to recover deleted or lost photos on your Mac using this software. Step 1. Download and install the photo recovery program on your Mac computer, and launch it. Then choose Photo and tap Next. Step 2. Choose the hard drive where your photos are stored, and click Scan to go on. The software will start to scan the hard disk. Step 3. After scanning, select the photos you want to recover, and tap Recover to save them to your Mac's another hard drive.